How to start an LLC in California. Starting a limited liability company in California is a strategic move for entrepreneurs seeking liability protection and operational flexibility. This guide outlines the essential steps from choosing a unique name to fulfilling tax obligations, ensuring you navigate the formation process smoothly and set your business up for success. Choose a unique LLC name. Selecting a name for your LLC is the first step and must comply with California naming requirements. The name must include Limited Liability Company or LLC. Additionally, it should not be similar to existing business registered in California. To ensure uniqueness, conduct a search using the California Secretary of State Business Name Database. This step is crucial as it prevents potential legal issues and confusion with other businesses. Once you have a suitable name, consider reserving it for 60 days by filing a name reservation request form, which can be beneficial if you are not ready to file your articles of organizations immediately. Designate a registered agent. A registered agent is an individual or business entity responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. In California, your registered agent must have physical address in the state and be available during regular business hours. You can appoint yourself, another member of the LLC, or hire a professional registered agent service. Choosing a reliable registered agent is vital as they will handle important correspondence, including service of process and official state notifications, ensuring that your LLC remains compliant with state regulations. File articles of organization. To officially create your LLC, you must file the Articles of Organization with the California Secretary of State. This document includes essential information such as your LLC's name, address, registered agent details, and management structure. The filing fee is $70 if submitted online or by mail. Upon approval, this document establishes your LLC's legal existence in California. It typically takes about 8 days for processing if filed online. However, expedited services may be available for an additional fee. Create an operating agreement. Although not legally required in California, drafting an operating agreement is highly recommended for all LLCs. This internal document outlines the management structure, roles of members, profit-sharing arrangements, and procedures for adding new members or dissolving the company. Having a clear operating agreement helps prevent disputes among members and provides a framework for operations. Store this document with other important business records as it is not filed with the state but serves as an essential reference for internal governance. Obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN. An Employer Identification Number, also known as a Federal Tax Identification Number, is necessary for tax purposes and is required if your LLC has more than one member or plans to hire employees. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website at no cost. This number is used to identify your business for federal taxes and can also be required when opening a bank account for applying for business licenses. Obtaining an EIN early in the formation process ensures you have everything needed to operate legally from day one. File initial statement of information. After forming your LLC, California requires you to file an initial statement of information within 90 days of filing your articles of organization. This form updates the state on key details about your LLC, including its address, management structure, and names of members or managers. The filing fee is $20, and this statement must be filed annually thereafter to keep your information current with the Secretary of State. Keeping this information updated is crucial to maintaining a good standing for your LLC. Pay the annual franchise tax. California imposes an annual franchise tax on LLCs, which currently stands at a minimum of $800 regardless of income levels. This tax is due by April 15 each year and applies even if your LLC does not conduct any business during that year. Additionally, if your LLC generates income exceeding certain thresholds, you may need to pay an additional fee based on total income levels. Ensure timely payment to avoid penalties and maintain compliance with the state regulations. By following these steps to establish your LLC in California, you can ensure compliance with state regulations and protect your personal assets. A well-structured LLC provides a solid foundation for your business, allowing you to focus on growth and success. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.